Hello everyone, I am Muawi Namadi, an engineer at Sancoj. So the purpose of this video is to walk people through our pre-ICO. The pre-ICO will last for 7 days and the tokens that are available for the pre-ICO are very limited. When you visit sancoj.com at the moment, as you can see, the pre-sale is 16 hours away, regardless of what time zone you are at the moment. To make sure everybody is on the same page, that's why we are doing this video, because a lot of people have struggled with our airdrop and private sale. Assuming you visited the site 16 hours later, you will be seeing something like this. As you can see, two buttons are added at the bottom of the progress bar: the contribute now button and the why invest in Sancoj button. The why invest in Sancoj button is still available at the moment. You can click it. It is giving you more details about the token and about our alpha version. You can check it out. As you can see, we already have 47,000 registered users. And below is also our community: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Telegram. And when you scroll to the bottom, you will be seeing information about the tokens, the pre-ICO and the main ICO, and the how to contribute steps. So these are the steps you need to take to contribute. First, you need to register, and you need to use ERC20 compatible wallet, and you need to verify our deposit address, and then make the deposit. So assuming you visited this page when the ICO starts, okay, that means 16 hours later. When you click the why invest in Sancoj, you'll be seeing the same thing, but with one more thing added. When you scroll to the bottom, you'll be seeing a button that says contribute. So it's the same steps, okay? You need to register. For registration, we only require basic information. We only need your first name, last name, email, and then password. And for wallet, make sure you use the wallet you'll be using to send deposit, and then to send your investment. Make sure you use ERC20 compatible wallet. And make sure you copy the deposit address from our website, Sancoj, SANCOG.com. We don't have any agents. Don't take any deposit address from anyone. Copy the deposit address from the pre-sale page, and then make deposit. Make deposit to the deposit address you copied. So when you made up your mind you wanted to contribute, all you have to do is click the contribute button. You'll be visited with this modal that's asking you to log in. Assuming you don't have an account, you can register. If you already have an account, all you have to do is log in. So once you're logged in, you will be seeing a page like this, the Sancoj pre-sale page. If you can read through every instruction that is mentioned, as you can see, we recommend using my Ether wallet, MetaMask, or Parity. And as you can see, there are 4 input boxes. The first one is where you will be putting your ERC20 wallet, the wallet you'll be sending your investment from. And then the second box is where you will input the amount of Ether you are going to invest. And the third inbox is not really interactive. It will be showing you a preview of the amount of SANC you will be getting for the amount of Ether you are investing. And the last box is optional. It's really not necessary. Assuming you are still on this page, you already made deposit to us, you can copy your transaction code and put it here. But it's really not necessary. So assuming you entered your wallet address, the wallet where you will be sending your deposit from. FYI, token will be distributed to the wallet you use to send your contribution from. So use wallet you have full control on. And in the second box, enter the amount of Ether you wanted to invest. Assuming you wanted to invest maybe 8 Ether. As you can see, as you type, you will be getting information on the amount of SANC you will be getting. So for 8 Ether, as you can see, I will be getting 1,360,000 SANC. So all you have to do now is check that I agree to Sancoj purchasing agreement, privacy policy, terms of use, and finally click the contribute. So as you click the contribute, as you can see, the deposit address came up, and all you have to do now is copy it and make deposit to this address and wait for your transaction to be confirmed. Once your transaction is confirmed, you will be seeing its status at the bottom says approved instead of pending. For any transaction that's not confirmed yet, the status of it will be pending. And if unfortunately a transaction was rejected, the status of it will be rejected. So as you can see, without doing anything, after copying the deposit address, before when you click the contribute button, you will be receiving a notification that says data received, make deposit and wait for your transaction to be confirmed. So all you have to do is now copy the deposit address and use your wallet. Assuming you are using MetaMask, all you have to do is open it and send your deposit to this deposit address you just copied. So make sure you copy this deposit address and then send your deposit to it and wait for your transaction to be confirmed. Assuming you didn't click the Why Invest in Sancoj button, you decided to click the Contribute Now button, the same thing will happen. But instead of taking you to the page where you'll be seeing information about our alpha version, our registered users, and more details about the token, you'll be taken directly to the pre-sale page. And if you are not logged in, it will ask you to register or log in if you already have an account. Hope this video was helpful. In case you still have any questions, you can reach out on our official Facebook page or our Telegram group. Okay, so that's all. Peace out.